point, what I'm really actually doing in there is a 3D cap. So we've been working on our caps, like even if we just take the simple one on the bottom, right? That's just, all you do is just a regular old cap, anti-spin to in-spin, anti-spin to in-spin. But then I can take this, plane break again, plane break again. So I'm doing anti-spin on the horizontal, in-spin on the bottom, anti-spin on the horizontal, in-spin on the bottom. And so now you have a different kind of atomic, but still an atomic where you're also using the plane break. Oh, there's a lot going on. So, yes, okay, there it is. So, horizontal, plane break, come across the bottom, plane break again. And both hands, all you do is the same thing with both hands, but offset. All you do is